Hey friends, this is Atif Opierval and welcome to the update on Stellar. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that after the breakout from a down channel on the daily time frame chart, on a smaller time frame, on a 4-hour time frame chart, the price line of Stellar broke out into the down channel and it was retesting the previous resistance of the channel as support. And this was one of those videos. Now, if we move to the live 4-hour time frame chart, then you can see that while retesting, the price line could not save this down trend line support and broke it down and re-entered the channel and even broke down the support of the channel as well. We had a big drop and tested this very long-term support zone that starts from 27 cents and goes to 25 cents. And in my so many previous videos, I've been showing you that this can be a very strong and long-term support zone and extreme demand zone for Stellar. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this support zone from 27 to 25 cents has been previously working as a resistance on here, support here, support here, support here. And now again, it worked as a very, very nice support. And the price line is recovered back, bounced very well, and now it is re-entering the same channel. However, we have also broken down the recent swing low point before the breakout from this channel. Therefore, now I'm not following this breakout on this 4-hour time frame chart, but still, this bigger channels breakout that was happening here on the daily time frame chart is still valid. We had a long spike the price and did not break down this recent swing low point before the breakout from this channel that was here at 31.2 cents. You can see that the price and moved down, bounced very well from this support zone, and still moving above this support. And now we need to keep an eye on this support. That is also the recent swing low point before the breakout from this channel. And now we have so many resistance to break out. Now we have this resistance of 36.3 cents that was recently working as support here, and now it can work as a resistance. We have the long-term resistance of 40 cents as well. That was also working recently as a support here, resistance here, support here, and now it can be flipped into resistance. And this is a very strong resistance on from 45 to 51 cents. You can see that for the past several days. It is working as a very strong resistance. Before that, it was working as support here. And we have also broken down the Ichimoku cloud as well. And now this cloud can again work as a strong resistance for the price line of Stellar. For the past several days, it was working as a support. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. I would also like to show you this very, very massive breakout that has happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And by the way, this wedge I have been showing you for the past 2 years, and I've been telling you that after the breakout, we can expect a very, very massive rally, and that rally has begun. And I would also like to share with you quite long-term trade signal for Stellar that I shared almost 2 years ago with my members. And in my different video that I've been showing you this move as well, that is a very big bullish garlic pattern that was formed on the monthly time frame chart. And so far, this signal has produced more than 400% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, and I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for move, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup I shared on 16th of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this for the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the long-term trade setup for Stellar that I've been showing you for the past 2 years. And by the way, this signal I shared almost 2 years ago with my members on 29th of May 2022. And this move is formed on the monthly time frame chart. Therefore, this was a quite long-term trade signal. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line has pumped very well and read the sell target zone here. So far, it has pumped almost 400%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because I'm sharing such trading signals for you on a daily basis, and I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart of Stellar, and first of all, let me just show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it was moving inside this channel. We had a rejection here, bounce, bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection. And finally, we broke out the resistance of the channel. After that, we also broke out this resistance of Ichimoku cloud as well. But here we found this uptrend line resistance. We got so many rejections, and the price and also could not break out this resistance on from 45 to 51 cents that had been previously working as support zone. Now after the breakdown, it is flipped into a very, very strong resistance. And now after this rejection, we had a big drop and the price has tested a very long-term support zone that starts from 25 cents and goes at 27 cents and goes to 25 cents. That was previously working as a resistance here. And if we move more back, let me just show you on the 7 days time frame chart, then it will be or easy to show you this support and resistance. This is the resistance and support zone. And here it was almost breaking as a resistance, resistance, support, support, support. And now again, it is breaking as a nice support. If we take a look at the 4 hour time frame chart, then you can see that we had a very, very nice bounce from this support zone. And now we have to again break out this EG Moku cloud resistance. That can be again work as a strong resistance. By the way, we are now having a bearish cloud. Bearish cloud can work as a very strong resistance as compared to the bullish cloud. Previously, we had a bullish cloud resistance. Now we have a bearish cloud resistance that can work as a strong resistance. And before that, we need to also break out this short-term resistance of 36.3 cents as well. That was recently working as support here and support here and support here. And now it can work as a resistance. And after that, we have this long-term resistance of 40 cents as well. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this channel is still here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at 62 cents. Now, if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then this was the falling wedge pattern that I've been showing you in my so many previous videos. And I've been telling you that once we will break it out, then technical target will be here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between 80 cents to $1. And now you can see that we are very close to hit that target. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.